is Jeff. He wanted to, yeah, let's see this guy right here, yeah. He wanted to double check and make sure. He wanted to see it again, because we didn't do it on video before, so we might as well. We're going to take some of the liquid. We've added water now too though, so it only had 2 gallons of water in it before. That's one more scoop, that'll be enough. Yeah, there we go.
Take that smoke from you while we're doing the test.
So then we're going to take that and set that down right there. And right here we just have some iodine. Here, you want to do it? Just look it. I'm going to hold it over. And just a couple drops right on the middle. Just a couple little drops. Alright. See how it didn't change color. So everybody can see that's proper iodine test. We're just checking to make sure right there that our starches from our grains actually fully converted into sugars. Just get that on there all the way there. Just to make sure. Move it around. Almost like panning for gold, you know? Because that's kind of what we're doing. Good old stomach gold right there. It's vitamin beer.
So temp that, right?
So we're looking good. If there would have been starches that weren't converted into sugars, that iodine would have turned like purple or black, real dark color. And it didn't. It stayed the same kind of color that iodine looks like. And so that means we're good. And then moving over here, we're just about, let me see if we can get a good, there we go. That's not zoomed in. We're about 212, 211, about there. And so 212, you can see it's starting to foam up quite a bit. Once if he stops stirring here, we're gonna get there we go. There you got the little bit of bubbles breaking the surface. So 212 degrees is when water boils. So we're about there. We're gonna start to boil. We got some more ingredients we're gonna mix in here, and we're just gonna start our first hop addition, because we did use quite a bit of grain on this one, but we didn't go all grain. So we're still gonna use, I think earlier we kind of got a shot a glimpse of it. We're substituting 3 pounds of Bryce Golden Light dried malt extract, just to make sure that we have a good strong booster kind of to it, and we get a high alcohol content, and we're not going to really change the color a whole lot with that stuff, and it'll kind of keep it to what we want. We're trying to make kind of a paler ale, so that's what we're doing with West Coast hops, a pale ale. There we go, look at that. That's bubbling good. Okay, we might have to adjust flame here in a minute, and add in our few little ingredients, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, go ahead and grab the regulator, shut it off. That's boiling. Alright, now, yeah, this stuff here, just set that on the, yeah, there you go. Now this stuff here, kind of get it, as soon as you open this stuff up, okay, it's going to start absorbing. Do it away from the pot too. When you open it, here's a knife. It's going to start absorbing the moisture from the air.
You want to get it in there as quick as possible?
And I'm going to start stirring it. So yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Try to get all of it in there. We want to just stir up real nice, because otherwise it'll get moisture straight out of the air. See, it's already starting to stick to the bag a little bit. Pull it up out of the, there, pull it up out for a minute there. Try to
Knife.
Set it down. I got one hand on the camera, one hand on the stir. Yeah, well, just try to squeeze it. There's a little bit left in the bag. You're shooting it all over the place. Hold on a second. Squeeze it, yeah.
Yeah, that stick draws moisture right out of the air, so it clumps up something with it.
Yeah, it'll start to stick to the bag. You gotta get it out quick. especially with the moisture that was right here above the kettle. As long as you got most of it, we're okay. It's just kind of like a booster to make sure that we're gonna get a good high, 6% plus is what we're going for, at least, with this type of beer, making a West Coast hops
I think as well as our
American
conversion
Pale
test-
Ale.
As well as our conversion test went, I wouldn't be surprised if we got an 8. That'd be real nice.
Oh, if we could get an 8, yeah, because we did have the conversion test is excellent, so we could possibly get 8%. That'll be awesome.
Now it's pre-boost.
Now it's pre-boost, yep.
So
So now we're starting to get thick too. We can feel it on the bottom. Just got to keep it moving. We turn the flame off, so that way it doesn't burn and get stuck to the bottom, and then we end up losing those sugars anyway. So it's kind of pointless at that point. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here you go. You want to take over? No. There you go. All right. So pretty soon we're gonna turn the flame back on, bring it back to boil, and we'll start adding some hops. All right, cool.